Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are doing fine. Children, today teacher will teach you how to write small letter I in the English notebook. Children, before learning to write small letter I in the notebook, let's practice orals from the English reader. Children, I want every one of you all to open page number 3. Look here, children. Open page number 3 in the English reader. Children, small standing line and above it a dot is small letter I. Repeat after teacher, children. Small standing line and above it is a dot. Small letter I. Children, the sound of I is E. Let's revise all the I words loudly. I for infant. Repeat, children. I for infant. Very good, children. I for iron box. Repeat again, children. I for iron box. Very good, children. I for ink pot. Repeat, children. I for ink pot. I for ice cream. Very good, children. I for ice cream. I for insect. Repeat, children. I for insect. Very good, children. I want every one of you all to tell loudly. I for igloo. Repeat after teacher, children. I for igloo. Children, we have finished orals from the textbook. I want every one of you all to practice orals at home. Now, teacher will show how to write small letter I in the English notebook. Children, this is English notebook. Children, before writing small letter I in the notebook, I want every one of you all to hold the pencil properly and press the pencil and write neatly. Is it clear, children? Now, see your children. Children, before we write, look at the book, children. Look here, children. How many lines are there? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. Children, in the English notebook, we have 4 lines. And all the lines are in same color, children? No. The first line is in red color. The second line is in black color. The third line is black color. And the fourth line is in red color. Children, before writing, I want every one of you all to hold the pencil properly and write neatly. Children, the small letter I. See here, children. I for ice cream. Repeat, children. I for ice cream. Now, children, the small letter I is written between these 2 black lines. Can you see the dots here? Yeah. Shall we count the dots? 1, 2. Start from the above dot and touch the below dot. Small standing line and above it a dot. Small letter I. Repeat, children. Small standing line and above it a dot. is small letter I. Children, start from the above dot, that is black color line, and touch the below dot. Write small standing line and above it a dot. Small letter I. Children, I want every one of you all to repeat after teacher. Small standing line and above it a dot. Small letter I. Say children, small letter I. I for ice cream. Children, I for ink pot. I for igloo. Again children, we'll practice one more time. Small standing line and above it a dot is small letter I. Very good children. Repeat again. Small standing line and above it a dot. Small letter I. Small standing line from the blue line to blue line children. Okay. Between these two lines only you should write the standing line. And above it only children. Don't keep the dot here and there. Only above the standing line. Above it a dot is small letter I. Children, the dot should be in a small size. Look how teacher is writing children. See how teacher is writing. Small standing line from the first above dot to the below dot. Small standing line and above it children. Above it. Not here. Not here. Not here. Teacher is asking you to keep above the standing line. Above it a small dot. Small letter I. Small standing line and above it a dot. Small letter I. Children, today we learned how to write small letter I. Let's revise one more time children. Small standing line and above it a dot is small letter I. I for ice cream. Very good children. Repeat one more time children. Small standing line and above it a dot is small letter I. Children, I want every one of you all to practice in your notebooks. Is it clear children? Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.